Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DC39 parts is probably one of the most essential tools for keeping your home spotless. But when something goes wrong, finding the right replacement parts can feel like navigating a maze. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Dyson DC39 parts, from filters and hoses to brush heads and more, ensuring you can keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. Number 5. Dyson DC39 Rinsable Premotor Filter. This is an authentic Dyson replacement filter. It's designed to fit various Dyson models, ensuring optimal performance for your vacuum cleaner. This part is a genuine OEM authorized component. The filter is compatible with several Dyson models. Replacing the filter helps maintain the suction power of your vacuum. This is an OEM part, ensuring quality and compatibility. The part number for this filter is 923413-01. This number guarantees you're getting the correct replacement part for your Dyson vacuum. It's a reliable and effective solution. This filter is rinsable, making it easy to clean and maintain. Regular cleaning extends the life of the filter and keeps your vacuum running efficiently. This feature saves you money in the long run. This is an OEM authorized part. It is a Bissell replacement part. You can trust that it meets Dyson's high standards. What we like. This filter is rinsable, saving you money and reducing waste. It's also an OEM authorized part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. If you are looking for a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great. It's a replacement for the filter that came with the vacuum. I love that it can be rinsed and used multiple times. Last very long because of that. Got this, and a new bin due to a broken latch, both long overdue, and now my D39 will ride again. Good replacement part to keep my Dyson going. Number 4. Dyson Floor DC39 Nozzle Assembly. This is an OEM authorized part. It's designed to meet the original manufacturer's specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your vacuum cleaner. This nozzle assembly is compatible with various Dyson models. It's a versatile replacement part, making it a convenient solution for your cleaning needs. The part number is 923181-03. This number ensures you're getting the correct replacement part for your Dyson vacuum. This is also a Bissell replacement part. It is a reliable component designed to restore your vacuum's cleaning effectiveness. This is an OEM part, guaranteeing the quality and compatibility you expect. It's a dependable choice for maintaining your vacuum's performance. What we like. This nozzle assembly is an OEM authorized part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It's designed to fit various Dyson models, offering versatility. If you have multiple Dyson vacuums or need a reliable replacement, it's a great choice. What people say. It fit perfectly and works sucking up everything. It was a perfect fit for my Dyson DC39 Animal and started to work the moment I replaced it. Works better than the vacuum head that came with my canister. Number 3. Dyson 923081-01 Wand Handle Assembly. This is an original part from Dyson. It's brand new and designed to fit perfectly. You can trust its quality. The product code for this part is 923081-01. This code ensures you're getting the correct replacement. Make sure it matches your needs. This wand handle assembly is suitable for the Dyson DC39 model. It's designed specifically for this vacuum cleaner. It will fit seamlessly. Twist to access the gâchette on your Dyson DC39D. This part is easy to install. It will restore your vacuum's functionality. This is a genuine Dyson part, ensuring the best performance. It's made of durable plastic. It's a reliable replacement. What we like. This wand handle assembly is a genuine Dyson part, ensuring the highest quality. It's specifically designed for the DC39 model, guaranteeing a perfect fit. If you like to keep your vacuum all original, you should consider this. What people say. This fit perfectly and was easy to replace. Works perfectly with my Dyson canister. The original part got broken and this was a great replacement. Authentic Dyson part, snapped it on and vacuum works like brand new. Number 2. Dyson 923181-03 Triggerhead V-Ball Turbine Head. Introducing a brand new, unused part from Dyson. This is an original component, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. This part is designed specifically for your Dyson DC39 model. It's a perfect fit, ready to restore your vacuum's cleaning power. The part corresponds to the original Dyson code 923181-03. You can be sure that it is a genuine Dyson product. This part is ready to install and use. It will get your vacuum cleaner working like new again. The product weight is approximately 0.85 kilograms. It is easy to handle and install. What we like. This triggerhead is a new and unused piece, ensuring top-notch performance. It's designed specifically for the DC39 model. If you are looking for a brand new part to replace the old one, this is the best choice. What people say. Works as it should. This works better than the original piece I am replacing. Fit. My old Dyson vac and works well with it. Saved me from buying a new vac when my old suction head stopped working. Number 1. Dyson DY9233940 Vacuum Floor Nozzle. This is a genuine original equipment manufacturer part from Dyson. It's designed specifically for your vacuum cleaner. This ensures the best performance and compatibility. This floor nozzle is compatible with various Dyson models, including the DC39. It's built to the same high standards as the original part. The part may look slightly different, but it functions the same as previous parts. It's a direct replacement and will work perfectly with your vacuum. This is a genuine OEM part, meaning it's made by Dyson. You can trust the quality and durability of this replacement part. Before installing this part, always unplug your vacuum cleaner. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any accidents during the replacement process. This floor nozzle, part number DY9233940, is designed for your vacuum. It's a perfect fit and will restore your vacuum's cleaning power. What we like. This floor nozzle is a genuine OEM part, ensuring the highest quality and compatibility. It is compatible with the DC39 model. If you have a DC39 and need a reliable, original part, then it's the perfect match. What people say. Original replacement head. Works like new. Highly recommended. Works well. Great replacement for my old but good Dyson vacuum power head. Expeditious shipping. Perhaps a bit expensive but certainly better than a new expensive vacuum. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.